Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you can change account settings. This avoids permission errors. Open the app you use for downloads, Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, and find the main menu icon. Click it to reveal options, then choose Settings or Preferences so you can view download controls. Once done, scroll or search for Downloads to surface the download path and controls. This step is important because it shows the current folder you'll be updating. Now you change the download location itself. In Downloads, click Change, Browse, or the folder icon to pick a new destination. If you need organization, create a dedicated folder first. Select the folder and then confirm by pressing Choose, select Folder or Save. Make sure the displayed path matches what you picked. This prevents files landing in an unexpected place. If your app supports it, toggle the setting to ask each time so you can choose per download. Finish by testing. Download a small file to confirm it lands in the new folder. If it doesn't, restart the app and try again. Extensions or manager apps can override settings, so disable them temporarily. Make sure the folder isn't read-only and your user account has write permission, otherwise the app silently reverts. If problems persist, reset the app settings to default and repeat the steps. This clears corrupted preferences that sometimes block changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.